Hi everybody, just going to do a quick little information review on Baby Maestro toy piano by a company called Winfun. And I don't have any affiliation with them. I picked this up at Mark's, which is a store in Cleveland, $9.99. And I mean, it's an inexpensive little keyboard for, it says ages 12 months plus. I'm not taking it out of the box because I'm giving it as a present, but I will give you a little quick demonstration on how it works. Right over here, they've got a bunch of songs by numbers. Turning it on to the right will just play the notes. So like the 144, let's see if we can figure out what song this is. So it's that's Wheels on the Bus. Okay, and it's got volume control. It's pretty quiet right now. If you want to make it a little louder, you hit that button. And they do have demo batteries in. Requires, I think, 2 AA batteries. So once you have it in that position, you notice that the keys 1 to 8, these represent the white keys. The black keys are not functional, but the white keys, it's an animal holding a different instrument. And it's really kind of clever. If you just play it like that, it sounds kind of like a keyboard, I believe. If you hit this keyboard, it'll change it to the number 1 instrument, which is a drum. And it's pretty cool. It only plays 2 sounds at once. I think, or no, it only plays 1 sound at once. So if I want to try and play drums, so it plays drums all the way across, which is pretty cool. If I hit that little key, notes or keys sign again, it'll switch over to this little rabbit who's holding shakers. So everyone is a different note. If I hit it again, it'll be on the frog playing the violin. So now it's going to sound like a violin. So I can play a song with the violin sound. Hit it again, it's going to be the duck with the trumpet. If I hit it again to 5, that's going to be the dog playing the piano. Oops, sorry. So if I go ahead and I just touched that keys again, so it should be a piano now. Sorry, I got out of position. I'm on the duck now, playing because it's a trumpet sound. Cool. Hit it again and press this guy. Now it's piano. If I press it again, I can change it. So I'm going to go to the violin sound. I guess that's a violin. Hit it again. Looks like a flute played by the little bird, number 7. Hit it again. Now it's the xylophone. Sounds kind of like it's in tune. Okay, so that's how you play individual notes. If you hit this guy, if you press the little dog, now it's going to make all the sounds as these animals. So if I press number 1, I think that's on the dog. Press it again. Oh, okay. Now I see it. So now it's on the cat. It started out at number 5. That must have been where I left off. So now I hit the button again. So now it's making all cat sounds. Oh, I think I got to hit that again. Now it's the bird whistling. Now if I hit it again, whoops. I think maybe it goes in order. So maybe that was a cow. Now it's the rabbit and makes it a bounce sound. If I hit it again, now it's a frog. So if I keep hitting that, it'll just keep moving. Now there's a chick. Okay, so that was all with this side here. The button pressed to the single note. If I press it to the double note, it's going to play you a bunch of demo songs. And that starts up each individual song. Hit it again. Oh, it turns it off. Hit it again, it gives you another song. It stops it. So while the song's playing, if you hit any of these, it'll play that instrument too. Like I could play the shaker. So right there, you got the little violin trill in there. So I don't think the music cards are going to be very helpful, but parents probably can learn to play the songs and interact with the child that way. Also, forgot to mention, all those different colors are great for kids that young just to be looking at and be stimulated by it. And also, as they learn to touch the buttons, I think that will help their hand-eye coordination greatly. As they get older, I think there's even more that they can figure out as far as like the different sounds of the piano and the different animal sounds. My grandson is 2 years old, and he's figuring out stuff like that even more as he gets older. He's really intrigued by music. So overall, I think it's a pretty good deal, especially for $10. I don't know how long it'll last, but I think it's great to expose kids to music. It helps their brain grow. They can socialize with other kids if they play in the band as they get older, and just a lot of fun. It'll keep them occupied, I think. So I think it's well worth $10. All right, good luck. See you in the next video.